Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to West Coast Woodyard. Today I want to give a big shout out to Bodie over on the Novice Lumberjack channel. This is the giveaway saw that I got from that channel. If you're not familiar with it, go over to Novice Lumberjack and check him out. Dude is super knowledgeable about chainsaws. I've learned a lot from him. He's doing giveaway saws like this one all the time. You might be lucky you get one of those. He's got the world's fastest Poulan Wild thing. Dude's awesome. Check him out. Just a super cool guy. So that's where I got this saw. Since I've had some issues with it. It would start up, run for a short amount of time, and then die. I thought it was the carburetor. I've cleaned that. And now Bodie has suggested to go ahead and try these bad boys right here. This is a crank seal bearing, and I guess these are actually kind of hard to get a hold of. We got part number 530019146 crankshaft seal, Husqvarna brand. We're actually only going to do the one today, and see if that makes a difference. See if it'll actually stay running. I know that I need to adjust the carb and stuff, but we're just gonna see if we can get it to spark at all, or just come to life and just idle without dying. And that's a success. But for now, we're just gonna switch out this crank seal bearing. Let's do it. So I want to give a big shout out to Bodie because he made a video specific for this. Go check it out over on his channel. He does it much better than me, but he made one for me to teach me how to do this, and now this is basically a response video. Maybe he saw some mistakes, or maybe I'm just a freaking natural and did it perfectly. I doubt the way I'm fumbling with this. I doubt it. Boom. Nut size for the flywheel, 14 millimeters. Stick a screwdriver in there to stop the flywheel from spinning. Also hold it. Now I'm just gonna pop the shaft with the hammer, and it should just real light taps, and it should persuade the flywheel off of there. She's loose. Get it cleaned up. She's all clean. For this next part, we need a screw. So on the original video, he made it look very easy. I think actually he hits it with something and then starts screwing it in. Wow. Holy cow. Okay, so I'm just screwing it in, and it's already coming out, which tells me I think that means that it's just failing, or it has failed like really quickly. So let me go ahead and pull that off of there. Usually it should take a lot more persuasion than that to pull it off of there. See the old style compared to the new here, side by side. We're bleeding. Oh no, man. Should have wore hand panties or something. Anyhow, so this is the old. This thing just feels, I don't know what the word for it is. Chintzy, light, well, it's plastic. And this is a nice soft rubber in the middle. This is gonna be dandy. All right. So the way we insert, you slip it over, and then I get a socket. Okay, so the size socket I'm going to use to drive down this crank seal bearing, and I'm just gonna push it really more than drive it, but this is a size 30 deep, and the reason I chose this one is because it's just perfect size. I don't want it to go in there, I just want it to go all the way around the outside and just hold it like that. I don't want to damage the inside at all, so that's the size I'm going with here. In place first, not too hard. Glass table here. So just a little push. Okay, now I got a slight high side, so I'm just gonna give her a little taparoo on the high side here. Okay, this is how she looks now. So I'm gonna hit you with the before. Okay. All right, let's put the flywheel back on it and see if she wants to run. So when you put the flywheel back on, it's got this little keyway. Watch out for that. Let's make sure that she's lined up and goes in the right way. Tap, taparoo, I don't know. Not gonna be correct, so I got my little screwdriver here. Let's just see if she wants to fire at all.